In 2025, the digital landscape offers unprecedented opportunities for beginners to explore various avenues for making money online. The first step is to identify your skills and interests, which will guide you toward the right online venture. Once you've pinpointed your strengths, consider exploring freelance opportunities that align with your expertise. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products or services. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses is also a great way to generate passive income. Additionally, starting a blog or YouTube channel can offer platforms for monetization through ads and sponsorships. Engaging in social media management for businesses is another avenue where you can leverage your skills to earn money online. Lastly, consider investing in cryptocurrencies or stocks, as these markets can provide substantial returns for informed beginners. Before diving into any online money-making venture, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved. Networking with others in your chosen field can also open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. In 2025, savvy investors will explore innovative technologies as the key to transforming their portfolios. The rise of artificial intelligence will open new avenues for investment, prompting a shift in traditional market dynamics. Sustainable energy sources will become increasingly attractive as governments and consumers alike prioritize eco-friendly initiatives. Cryptocurrencies will continue to evolve, potentially offering high rewards and increased regulatory clarity in financial markets. Real estate investments will adapt to remote work trends, with a growing demand for residential properties in suburban and rural areas. Healthcare technology will see significant advancements, attracting investments in telemedicine and personalized healthcare solutions. The rise of e-commerce will drive investment in logistics and supply chain optimization, reshaping how goods are delivered globally. Investors will increasingly turn to emerging markets, tapping into the potential of high-growth economies in Asia and Africa. Finally, collaboration between startups and established corporations will foster innovation, creating unique investment opportunities in various sectors. Forex trading in 2025 requires a deep understanding of digital currencies and innovative trading platforms. Traders must adapt to advancements in artificial intelligence that enhance predictive analytics for better decision-making. Networking with other traders and participating in online forums can provide valuable insights and strategies. Regulatory changes in the Forex market demand continuous education and compliance to avoid legal pitfalls. Utilizing automated trading systems can streamline operations and enhance efficiency in executing trades. Staying updated with global economic news is crucial, as it significantly influences currency fluctuations. Implementing risk management strategies helps traders protect their investments from unexpected market volatility. Diversifying trading portfolios across various currency pairs can minimize risks and maximize potential returns. Engaging in regular backtesting of trading strategies ensures that they are effective and predictable under different market conditions. Joining a reputable Forex trading education program can provide foundational knowledge and advanced techniques for aspiring traders. In the digital age, transforming your skills into a profitable home-based venture has never been more achievable. Start by identifying your strengths and interests, as these will guide you toward the right money-making opportunity. Consider freelancing in areas such as writing, graphic design, or programming, where you can easily find clients online. Alternatively, explore the world of e-commerce by setting up an online store to sell handmade crafts or curated products. Another lucrative option is to create and monetize content on platforms like YouTube or social media, sharing your expertise or passions with a wider audience. Additionally, consider providing online courses or tutoring sessions, leveraging your knowledge to help others while generating income. Finally, don't underestimate the potential of passive income streams, such as earning money through affiliate marketing or investing in dividend stocks. By dedicating time to research and implementation, you can successfully build multiple income streams from the comfort of your home. Stay persistent and adaptable, as the journey to earning money from home may come with its own set of challenges and learning experiences. In 2025, beginners can confidently navigate the world of trading by implementing simple yet effective strategies designed to maximize their potential. One of the most accessible strategies is the buy and hold approach, where traders invest in stocks with strong fundamentals and hold on to them for the long term. Another effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Diversification is also key. By spreading investments across different asset classes, traders can reduce risk and increase potential returns. For beginners, leveraging educational resources such as online courses and trading simulations can significantly enhance their understanding of market dynamics. Setting realistic goals is crucial as it helps traders stay motivated and measure their progress over time. Finally, maintaining a disciplined approach to trading, including strict adherence to a predefined plan, is vital for long-term success. Regularly reviewing and adjusting strategies based on market changes allows traders to remain agile and responsive to new opportunities. Financial literacy is the cornerstone for a successful future, especially for beginners entering the economic landscape of 2025. Understanding the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing will empower individuals to take control of their finances. In 2025, digital platforms will make financial education more accessible than ever, offering interactive tools and resources. Moreover, incorporating gamification into financial learning will engage beginners and make complex concepts easier to grasp. As cryptocurrency and digital currencies gain traction, understanding these new forms of money will be crucial for financial literacy. Furthermore, teaching the importance of credit scores and responsible borrowing will help beginners navigate loans and credit cards wisely. Finally, fostering a mindset of lifelong learning about finances will empower individuals to adapt to changing economic conditions and opportunities. By building a strong foundation in financial literacy, beginners can confidently tackle challenges and seize opportunities as they arise in their financial journeys. Ultimately, embracing financial literacy not only leads to personal empowerment, but also contributes to the overall economic health of communities. In 2025, the landscape of income generation has transformed drastically, where multiple streams are not just beneficial, but essential for financial stability. Individuals now leverage technology to create side businesses that complement their primary careers, tapping into skills and passions like never before. Passive income has gained popularity, with many investing in digital assets and automated businesses that generate cash flow around the clock. Social media platforms have evolved into lucrative income channels where influencers and entrepreneurs monetize their audience through authentic content creation. Moreover, the gig economy continues to thrive, allowing individuals to pick up freelance work that fits their schedules and skill sets. Investing in sustainable and ethical businesses has become a priority, reflecting a growing awareness of the impact of financial decisions on the planet. Networking and community building are now vital components of income diversification as people seek support and collaboration in their ventures. Education has adapted, with online courses and webinars becoming essential tools for upskilling and exploring new income opportunities. Creating multiple sources of passive income is like planting seeds in a garden, each one promising growth and abundance for the future. By investing in real estate, individuals can earn rental income while their properties appreciate over time. Dividend-paying stocks provide a steady stream of income, allowing investors to reap financial rewards while they sleep. Creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses allows entrepreneurs to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing enables individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services they love, creating a win-win for both the seller and the promoter. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow investors to earn interest by lending money directly to individuals or small businesses, diversifying their income sources. Creating a blog or YouTube channel can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, turning hobbies into profitable ventures. Investing in high-yield savings accounts or bonds provides a secure way to earn interest with minimal risk involved. Starting a dropshipping business allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory, generating income through online retail. Starting your journey in cryptocurrency mining requires understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology and the specific currencies you wish to mine. Next, you'll need to select the right mining hardware, which can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and your budget. Once your hardware is ready, it's time to choose a mining pool to increase your chances of earning cryptocurrency efficiently. After joining a mining pool, download and install the necessary mining software that matches your chosen hardware and coin. Finally, monitor your mining operation regularly to optimize performance and ensure you're maximizing your rewards. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like our video and subscribe for more exciting content on cryptocurrency and mining tips. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into advanced strategies for optimizing your mining process in upcoming videos. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. As you embark on your mining journey, don't hesitate to engage with the community for tips, support, and shared experiences. With perseverance and the right knowledge, you can successfully navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining.